Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Excel Tech and Tricks. In this video, we're going to solve Excel add and ribbon not showing issue. Thus, if you are facing the same problem, then this video will surely help you in fixing it. But before heading towards the solutions, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Now, let's move on to fix Excel add and ribbon not showing using 6 fixes. Solution 1, restart the Excel application. Before exploring any advanced solutions, it is recommended to once close and reopen your Excel application. Many users have found this method useful in their cases to overcome minor glitches or errors in Excel. Solution 2, disable Excel add-ins. Sometimes, corrupted Excel add-ins might cause add and ribbon not showing in the spreadsheet. To fix it, disable these add-ins. For this, open Excel and click on the File menu. On the left panel, click on Options. In Excel Options, click on Add-ins. Under Manage, select Excel Add-ins and click on Go. Disable the add-ins one by one and see if the problem is resolved. Solution 3, add new location. The next solution you can try is to add new location. This step will be helpful if the problem is being caused due to one of the installed plugins. To do so, open your Excel workbook, click on File, then click on Options. In the new window, select Trust Center. Choose Trusted Locations, and click on Add New Location. Click Browse. Add the C:\drive as the path, and check the box to subfolders of this location are also trusted. Click OK to ensure the settings have been modified. Solution 4, Unprotect the workbook. Password protected Excel sheet is another reason for Excel add and ribbon not showing problem. All you need to do is to unprotect your Excel workbook to solve it. Open a faulty Excel sheet. Click Review tab. Protect Workbook option under Protect Group. Now, an Unprotect Workbook pop-up box will appear, enter the password, click OK. Solution 5, use Open and Repair tool. The Open and Repair is a built-in MS Excel utility that allows you to repair the corrupted Excel file and solve this problem. To run this tool, you have to ensure to close all the Excel files. Open the Excel application. Go to the File. Then Open. Under the dialog box that opens, click on the Browse to choose an Excel file that is not opening. Once you have selected the file, click on a small drop-down arrow next to an Open button. Click Open and Repair. Then Repair. Solution 6, use Excel Repair tool. If you are looking for a quick way to resolve Excel add and ribbon not showing, then you can download the Excel Repair tool by clicking on the link given in the description box. This software is designed with an advanced algorithm to repair all sorts of damages, corruption, and errors in the Excel file. Therefore, just try it and see how it works. So, this is all about fixing Microsoft Excel add and ribbon not showing issue. If you found this video useful, then give it a like, share it with other users, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel to watch more useful videos. Thanks for watching.